Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, let's start chapter 6 of D2. And this chapter is about algebraic fractions and formulae. Okay, in this chapter, we'll be given some algebraic fractions and we'll be simplifying those algebraic fractions using already learned methods and the ways to simplify the algebraic fractions. So let's take few examples, and we'll simplify those fractions, and in couple of cases we'll try to find the value of the variable. Okay, so let's start. Okay, example number 1. We have to simplify 9x4 into x minus y whole cube divided by 27x square y cube into x minus y. Okay, so we have to simplify this algebraic fraction. Now, to simplify this algebraic fraction, what we are going to do? We're going to look at the terms, what terms we have. So one term we have here is x minus y. We have x, we have y. So we have to split the powers of the terms suitably so that we can cancel out where possible. Okay, what I mean is, like 9, I have here x square and here it is x4. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to split x4 into x square and x square. Okay. Why I'm doing like this? So to make it more easy. Like x square into x square. Okay. So I have x square here, keeping in view the x square in the denominator. I have rewritten this x4 as x square into x square. And if you know that when the bases are same, we can add the powers. Okay. Now, here I have, for this term, x minus y whole cube, and here I have x minus y. So I'm going to rearrange this term also. So this is x minus y into x minus y square. So the bases are same and I have split the powers. Now, denominator x square y cube and x minus y. Now you see, by just with one step, now everything is clear. Now you know what you can cancel out and what you have to keep. So I'm going to cancel out this, I'm going to cancel out this. Okay, now 9 ones are and 9 threes are. So what is left? X square into x minus y square over 3y cube. Pretty easy, huh? So it's just you have to figure out some way to make the things easier, and so that you don't make a mistake while cancelling out. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So let's go for another example. Okay, we have our example number 2. We have here u plus 1 divided by 2u minus 8, and then minus u plus 2 divided by 12 minus 3u. So we have to simplify it. Okay, in this sort of a problem, we know that we have to take LCM, and by taking LCM, it will be much easier to do and simplify it. So to take LCM, the first thing is, so we need some common denominator. Right now, it's a little confusing. So let's make it into some easier form. So I'm going to take 2 common over here. So what is left? U minus 4 minus u plus 2. And what do I have common here? 3 and 4 minus u. Okay. First step done. Now you see, I have here u minus 4 and it is 4 minus u. So I'm going to take minus common, and here this is already minus. So I'm going to take minus common, and this minus common will make this minus plus. Okay. Just for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to do it in the two steps, otherwise no need. Okay. So what do we have here? 2 into u minus 4 plus u plus 2 over 3 into u minus 4. Okay, so u minus 4 is common. Things are getting simpler now. And 2 and 3, two numbers. So we're going to take this LCM. 2 into 3 is 6, and u minus 4 is common. So this is our LCM. 6 into u minus 4. Okay, so what do I have here in the numerator? It is 3 into u plus 1, and then plus 2 into u plus 2. So I don't need to explain it because it is something which we have already done in the D1. Okay, now 3u plus 3 plus 2u plus 4 over 6 into u minus 4. So it is 5u plus 7 over 6 into u minus 4. So pretty easy again, right? So it's just another way of simplifying the fraction. In the first, we were just cancelling out the common terms. In this, we took the LCM and we solved. Now let's take another example and see another way of simplifying the fraction. Okay, we have our example number 3. We have to simplify it again. Now in this case, by having a look on it, we can very easily say that here we have to factorize it. Okay, and for factorization, we usually go for midterm breaking, right? And here we can see there is something common. So let's do that. So midterm breaking. I'm writing directly, and I know that you have pretty good idea now, up till now, that how to go for the midterm breaking. Okay. So let's further. Okay, it's getting simpler now. Okay, so after taking a midterm breaking thing, we got the factors, we took the common in the denominator, and so we are here now. Okay, the things are pretty simple now, so just cancel out this is common. Okay, so we are left with p minus 3 over 5p. So this is the simplified form of this. Pretty easy, right? So let's take next example, and in that example we'll find the value of the variable under the given conditions. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we have a formula over here, x plus y divided by x minus y, and it's a whole cube root is equal to z, and we have to change the subject of this formula to x first. And once we have done that, then we'll find the values. Okay, so for making x the subject of this formula, what we have to do? So since it's a cube root, first we have to eliminate this cube root. So the simplest way is taking cube of both sides Okay, so I have here is equal to z cube. Okay, now cross multiply or whatever you want to say, x plus y is equal to z cube into x minus y. So we have here x plus y is equal to x z cube minus y z cube. Since I have to make x the subject, so what am I going to do? I'm going to bring it here, x minus x z cube is equal to minus y minus, okay, right? So I brought this term over here and this gone to the other side. So let's take common, x into 1 minus z cube is equal to minus y is common, 1 minus z cube okay, you see 1 minus z is here and 1 plus z cube is here. If it would have been negative 1 minus z cube on both sides, the things would have been much simpler, but since it is not, so we cannot cancel it. So we are reduced to x is equal to minus y over 1 plus z cube over 1 minus z cube. Okay, the formula is changed and the subject of the formula is x now. Now the next step, if y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3, find x. So this is the next step, we have to find the value. So let's put the value of y and z. So x is equal to minus 4 into 1 plus 3 cube over 1 minus 3 cube, it is minus 4 into 1 plus 27 and over 1 minus 27. Okay, so we are reduced to minus 4 into 28 over minus 26. So minus is gone. And what do you have? We have now. So if it's okay, then I am going to erase this part to further simplify it. So I have here 112 over 26, and which is equal to 4 whole 4 over 13. So you see that how we change the subject of the formula, and then we applied the given conditions and found the value of a desired variable. Okay, so let's do one more example before we conclude.